All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Chevy Equinox. It is the LT all-wheel drive model. This beautiful white with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, heated seats. Only 8,000 miles on this car, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks okay. It does have a dent here with paint off about 3 inches. Boom. The rest of the bumper looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Seems to have a little dent here, about an inch and a half, and then another little dent. A little ding there, probably from a road chip. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks fabulous. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. You can see no dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks great. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. It even has your power lift gate, which is pretty damn awesome. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Pow. AC controls. You got your heated seats. Boom. Boom. Let's see if camera focuses on it. That's nice. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you can see it does have an airbag light on, which is what this thing is saying. And your mileage of 8,298 miles. Looks good. Let's keep it moving. Let's turn on this light. This button and see if it actually works. Oh, look at that. It did work. Of course, here's the other side. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. Does have a armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper, and it does have sensors, folks. Rear bumper looks good. Got your rear trunk spacing. What that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here. Well, you got a little compartment here. You tuck away your owner's manuals. You got your spare tire down there. A lot of things here. Whoa. Oh, man. Let's pull the cord. There wasn't it. Boom. There it goes. Got a little button here. Closes the back lift gate. Let's look at this bad boy, which looks pretty darn nice. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks fabulous. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. It looks fabulous. Front fender looks marvelous. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Beautiful little vehicle, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Equinox. It is the LT all-wheel drive model with 8,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.